You see a stock price, but how do you know if it is expensive or cheap right now? The 52-week range provides that crucial context. This metric tracks the highest and lowest price a stock has traded at over the past year. It is a quick way to gauge price momentum. By looking at the full year, you filter out daily noise and see how the market has valued the company over a longer period. Think of it as a compass. If a stock is near its 52-week high, it is showing strength. If it is near the low, the market is currently pessimistic. When a stock hits its yearly high or low, it tells a story about investor sentiment and whether the price might be overextended or undervalued. This chart shows a stock trading at $75, clearly positioned in the upper tier of its annual range. It is not at a record high, but it is far from its floor. Remember that a stock can stay near its low for a long time or hit new highs repeatedly. Always look at the fundamentals behind the price. Use the 52-week range to add perspective to your watch lists. Subscribe and save this video for your next deep dive into a stock. Thanks for watching.